Hello people, how are you? So my name is Daniela Canche and today I'm very excited because I want to tell you about my routine every morning. I am a person who always has things to do, and this is for you to know more about what I do and what I am. So, well, my dad is a doctor and my mom is a chef. So my gift number 19 was a house to learn to be a person responsible and life alone. I am a independent person, therefore here I am. Every morning when I wake up, the first thing that I do is make my bed, so that when I come my home, I feel tired and I do not have to do this, which is easier at that time. Well, after I take a bath, I wash some clean dish that matters a night before to keep clean and everything clean. And then I have a breakfast. After that, I on the fast go to iron my work clothes. So that is not wrinkly. After I make up, before leaving the house, I take out my rubbish, so that my house and work is not dirty. So, well, people, I like to share my daily routine. I would like to listen to your daily routine, so that my day is not boring. So see you later, and thanks for being here.